guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I am doing a spring haul sponsored by Princess Polly. Thank you so much, Princess Polly, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love Princess Polly. I've shopped with them for years. I buy a ton of their stuff, so to be able to work with them is unreal. So I'm so excited for today's video. I will also have a discount code for y'all to save y'all some money on all your spring shopping. So you can use my code BaileyS20 to get you 20% off your order. So definitely take advantage of that. All of their US orders ship within the US, and you get free express shipping, which is 3 to 4 days to US orders over 50 USD. Princess Polly also offers Afterpay, so you can buy now, pay later. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, just keep watching. Okay, so the first outfit I got is this really cute little blue crop top, and it's got these little white flowers all over them. I think it is so cute, perfect for spring. I got this in a size 4, I believe. I like to go a little bit bigger on tops just because I don't like them super short. Got this in a US size 4, the LOLA crop top in blue. And this was 36 USD, so $36 for this cute top is a steal. So I'm obsessed. And then I got these really cute jeans. Now normally I'm very hesitant when shopping for jeans just because nothing ever fits my waist and bum, but I found a hack. I just take a shoelace and I literally just tie it, although there's a gap right now, but then I tie it and tuck it in, and it makes all my jeans fit my waist. So yeah, they just have these blue flowers on them. They're yellow, high rise, stretch. They have a very little stretch, but it works. I got a US 4 and it fits perfectly. Obviously the waist is a little bit big, but it's not that big. Stretchy on the butt, like I don't feel like it's super constricting, which I love. They're like basically straight leg jeans, if you can tell. So yeah, and then these are what they look like from the back. Have pockets, super cute. These are called Ivy Floral straight leg jeans in yellow. I got them in a size 4. These were $70. For 70 bucks, I think they're 10 out of 10 worth it. They're very cute, perfect for spring. I'm obsessed. I'm very happy I got them. Fit really well, and I like how they're not super like constricting. I don't feel like my butt becomes a pancake in them, so that's always a bonus. Okay, and next I got this really cute like pink and then what is it called, reverse stitching. Very trendy right now. I got this in a size 4. Probably could have gone down to a 2 just to be a little more cropped. Like it's kind of loose, but I still like it. Again, I go down just because I don't really like crop tops that show too much belly, but I just think it's super cute. The color is perfect for spring, and this again is called the CHRISTA top in pink. Got overlocked stitching in white, and then it's ribbed material. It's $28. So very affordable, cute little summer top. Very, very stretchy, so yeah, very cute. So next I got these asymmetrical straight leg jeans. As y'all know, this is very trendy thanks to TikTok right now. I honestly didn't think I was gonna like these, but now that I have them on, I really do. It is a little constricting on the backside area, but very, very big on my waist, which is the normal case for jeans. So I can just do my little hack, which will cinch in my waist. That's fine. These are called the Holly Asymmetric Straight Leg Jean, and they're in the light wash denim. I did get a size 2, which is a lot smaller than what I normally get, just because the reviews said that they ran pretty big. I am happy I got a 2 just because the waist is pretty big. I can't even imagine what a 4 would be. But I'm just a little squished in the backside. But I still think they're extremely flattering. Like, yeah, very cute. Very trendy. And I think this sucks in your waist. Like, or not sucks in, but like makes your waist look very small because it's got that V shape going. So I might have found my new favorite jeans, even though they squish the booty a little bit. I just think they are so flattering, and I've been looking for like the perfect straight leg jeans for a hot minute, so I'm obsessed. You can see the full bottom, very cute. And I believe these were $74. So for the price, I think is very much worth it because they are just like, I feel like my waist has never looked this good in jeans. And I don't even have it tied yet. So hold on, let me see what it looks like once I tie it. Okay, now this is it fully tied. Fits my waist perfect. Yeah, I really like these. Oh my gosh. So yeah, 10 out of 10, worth it completely. And then next I got this cute, so this is called the LALETTE, I think I'm saying that right, top in pink. I got it in a US 6, a little bit bigger than what I normally do, but just because it looked really cropped on the model, and I was like, So I am happy I got it. Very stretchy. It's like a pink check print. Oh, you can see my bra. A pink check print, super cute. Even this paired with like a tennis skirt would be so cute. A little pink purse, perfect for spring. Some sneakers, I love it. And this top was $34. And yeah, I just think this outfit is so cute, perfect for spring. I love. Guys, I'm obsessed. This top is so cute. It's giving me 70 vibes. Obviously this is the top, the kind of top that you probably want to wear pasties with, just because you can see the bra, or no bra. But I'm obsessed. I do love these colors. Go get this like now because it is so cute. It's called the LUCI halter top in the color, I guess, multi, and it's a size 4. Probably could have gotten a 2 just to maybe, because I don't have much going on up top. But yeah, and then obviously I'm wearing a bra right now, but that would not be there. So you just have like the open back with the tie. Very, very cute. Like, I love anything that looks retro, and this to me looks very retro. So I love it. Perfect spring top, very cute. I haven't seen anyone wearing something like this yet, so with these jeans, it's a whole look. So yeah, I am extremely obsessed. So this honestly might be my favorite top out of everything I got. Very, very cute. This was $45, but obviously with my discount code you can get it for cheaper, so take advantage of that. Okay, so I got this top. It's just this cute green, I guess you could wear it as a cardigan too, but like it's got the, I believe this is called ruching on the side, where you can kind of cinch it, make it shorter if you want. And then it's got like pearl, okay, hold on, I'm struggling. It's got these cute pearl buttons, very, very V-neck. I got it in a size 4, and I probably could have gone to a 2 just because it is very stretchy, and it probably would have helped prevent like extra fabric right here. I love this design. I think it's very cute. You can go shorter, you can go longer, whatever your preference is. Very, like, it's like a very cute casual top. It's good for like spring because it is very light, and you know, some days you have cold days during spring, some warm. It's like the perfect layer, I don't want to say layering piece, but like to throw on a little cooler day, you know, 60s, 70s. Yeah, I'm obsessed. It's called Bridgeton top in green. I got it again in a 4. This was $36. They also have it in like a cream color. So yeah, very cute. I'm obsessed with like very, not bright, but like, yeah, bright colors this spring. I feel like all winter I tried to go for neutrals, and spring and summer I just want colors. I want pinks, blues, purples, yellows, greens, the whole rainbow. Snag this. Very cute. God, I'm obsessed with everything I got. Okay, so next I got this really cute like set where it comes with a little matching tube top and a cardigan. This look is very, very trendy right now. It's definitely like, I don't want to say throwback, but retro. because this look used to be in. They also have it in like sweaters or vests. I was gonna get the vest until I saw this. I was like, this is perfect for spring. You can take it off if you get hot. It's like the perfect transition look. Very casual, but also very stylish. Like, very cute. And it's not itchy material. Like normally knit material or like sweater stuff is very itchy, but this is not at all. I'm very happy. I think it's so cute. I got this in an extra small. This is really, like, it's pretty tight. I probably could have gone to a small medium, but I'm still very happy with it. With high-rise jeans, like, look, this is just such a look. So this is called the SOLEIL, I'm probably saying that wrong, sorry, knit sweater, ARGYLE print yellow blue. I will just have it written down below because I can't pronounce stuff. So yeah, and this was $75. Very cute, very trendy, so worth it. Like, and then you can button it up if you want. Like, how cute is that? I'm obsessed. Okay, next I got this really cute set. I really like sets. That's literally all I wore last year for spring and summer, and I'll probably continue to do the same. It's just this purple floral crop top with puff sleeves, and it's a tie right here so you can adjust it, with a little skirt that has a slit. It is a little tight right here. It's still really cute. Probably should have gone up a size. This is called the CALI set in purple, and I got it in a size 4. And it was $52. Super cute set. I'd probably pair these with like booties or over the knee boots. That was like my signature look. I still really like it. Or maybe even like mule heels. I think that would be really cute, like white. And yeah, very flattering, very cute. Okay, so this is called the AVERY tie-dye mini dress. I got it in a size 4, a little bit shorter. You can just adjust it and then fix the tie. Very cute. Very flattering as well. Like, yeah, I like. And it's like got a halter top, a line down the middle for ruching. Very spring colors. And just a very flattering dress overall. I'm trying to adjust it to where you can see full body, but it's not really working. I'm like limited with space. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's haul. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Stewart. Don't forget to follow Princess Polly so you can see all the latest stuff that they have. And don't forget to use my discount code BaileyS20 to get you 20% off your order. Save some money, why not? I'll have everything linked down below in the description along with the link and my discount code so that you can use it. I also want to give another huge shout out to Princess Polly for sponsoring today's video. I am obsessed with them. I love their clothing. Their quality is amazing, affordable prices, so definitely check them out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!